campus. Khalid, if you can hear me, tell us more about these protests. Are they in connection with those slogans on DU walls?
Visa comes up.
Well, yes, in fact, ABVP activists are protesting outside Delhi School of Economics. They are raising slogans against Naxalism and as well as terrorism. Their main demand is that the ISIS slogans that were raised on the walls of the Delhi School of Economics should be cleaned up. And they're also demanding a police investigation in this matter. They're saying that the people who were responsible for these slogans, who painted these graffitis on the walls, should be arrested and there should be a strong case against them. As you can see behind me, there are about 50 to 60 activists of ABVP who are protesting here. They're raising the national flag. They're raising slogans in favor of the nation and as well as nationalism. They have been here for some time now. And as you can see, they're protesting against the Naxalism and as well as the anti-national elements. Earlier on, we spoke with some of the activists here who had called for this protest. They said that they will keep raising this matter no matter what. They are demanding, in fact, an FIR being filed by the Delhi police in this. So far, the Delhi police has not filed any case in this matter. They are seeking a legal opinion when it comes to filing an FIR. So clearly, this issue has put the campus on the boil. Remember, Delhi School of Economics is a very prestigious institute. It's an institute which has given countless economists and intellectuals to the country. And at this institute, when you see such slogans in favor of ISIS, this does, in a sense, rake up a lot of sentiments within the students. And that's why we see these students have come out here outside the gate of Delhi School of Economics. They're going to give a memorandum to the director of the Delhi School of Economics demanding for a probe in this matter, and they are also demanding that the university administration also put some action against the individuals who are responsible for this. Remember, there are CCTV footages installed around the spot where this incident happened, where the graffiti is painted, but thus far there has been no action from the administration or the Delhi police.
Right. And Khalid, if you can bring us more visuals from behind you where the sloganeering is going on right now. What is it that these students are demanding as of now? And what is the security around this? Because we've seen in the past that certain protests have become very violent and, classes have been disrupted, students have been injured. Can you take us through that while we look at these visuals?
Well, as of now, the protest is quite peaceful. There are around 50 to 60 activists of the ABVP who are raising slogans in favor of the country, in favor of nationalism of the country. They are holding tricolor in their hands. They have also raised slogans against the nationalism. They are saying that there are anti-national elements on various campuses throughout the country. And it's because that these elements are very agitated with what's happening around the country, the rise of nationalism in the country. That's why they're resorting to such cheap and trivial tactics to draw their attention towards such activities. They're saying that these anti-national elements should be rooted out of the campus, and our campuses, the prestigious universities of the university, cannot be held hostage by these anti-national elements, Shivani. And as far as the arrangement of the Delhi police goes, there has been extra arrangement of the Delhi police. They had anticipated a protest out here. The gate of this university has been locked down, and as you can see, the extra deployment of the police force outside the campus. The police force is trying to maintain peace on the campus. They're saying that they want to maintain peace on the campus. They don't want the protest to turn violent or any conflict take place in the campus. And behind me is the campus, is the gate of Delhi School of Economics, which has been locked down, which has been chained down by the university administration to stop the protest march to move towards the university.